back to part 3 of the Mustang rebuild. Today we got a good video for you guys. We did a lot of stuff, got some stuff fixed, and definitely gonna want to see the end. It's in a lot better condition. But today the first thing we worked on, actually I've already worked on it, is we got that front bumper from last video figured out, and we got that radiator tie-in. We rebolted it, traded it out, and it looks better, guys. But also we worked on the evaporation system, got a new part in for that. We worked on the hood latch and the hood shutting, working perfectly now. And also for the exterior, we have the rest of the tape taken off all the body panels, and even on the back where there was all that 3M double-sided tape, we got all that taken care of. That took forever, but we got it taken care of, and the car looks amazing. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. All right, so right now we got the most nerve-wracking part of this entire process. We're gonna check if the hood lines up. If it's off a little bit, we can tweak the bolts and we might be able to get to line up. But if it's way off, there's something else that's broken. So let's find out. Oh. And there we have it.
Next thing we got is this little valve for the fuel system. It's this one right here. Did a little bit of research. Most of the time that people get this code, it's gonna be this right here.
Fuel connections, right? Freaking fuel connections.
All right, so I'm barely gonna be able to piece that connector back together to get the new one in to get secured. This is the old one. I'm gonna try and blow in it to see if any pressure gets by it, and that'll confirm whether or not this was our leak. All right, we got our new one put in right here, and we also got this right here. This is gonna be a new hood latch for us right here. So the hood latch, it was messed up because the hood like brought the entire latch up. So if you can see, the spring on this one isn't here. The latch is like not where it should be. And on this one's just brand new, used. Well, I guess it's used from another car the same year. Got it on eBay. It's got the sensor and everything, just like it should. We're gonna get this put on as well. Damn. So it's the old one. Shit, I just dropped it on my leg. Of this part, it's gonna go here. So I need to find some hardware for this as well. All right, she ain't going nowhere. All right, so we got good news and we got bad news for the Mustang here. After putting that new valve for the fuel system, it fixed one of the two codes. I was assuming it was going to fix both. After buying that part and installing it, it only took one of our 5 codes away, which is kind of, discouraging. But, we still have, a couple other parts coming in, which is going to make up for about 3 of the codes. What we have left is we have 1 code for emission system. We have 2 codes for the catalyst emission system, which is for each side of the exhaust. And then we have the VVT solenoid. That should be here today. but that's going to be a little bit more of a job, so I'm going to do that in the next video. Yeah, what we have right now left in today's video is we're going to make this thing look good on the outside. We're going to use that stuff to get the rest of the auction tape off of all of the rest of the car, and then we're going to go ahead and give this thing a detail on the outside and see how it looks. So most of the remaining tape is going to be right here. Other than that, I don't see any more remnants of it. I know there's a lot on this this back of the trunk because of the wing that they had on it. We're going to be going over this part right here, so we're not going to have to worry about it as much. Just got to try and make this part, the front part, look clean here. But there's none on the rest of the car that I really see. So we're gonna focus on this right now, try and get this nice and shiny, nice and cleaned up. Then we'll move to the back. Just like last time, just a little bit. For this part, I'm just gonna try and peel up this tape first. Oh wow, there's rust under it. I know it's peeling up the whole paint on the edge of this right here. Oh, that's not good. But I don't have any like plastic trim tools to like not scratch it up. So I'm just gonna try and glide along it without trying to scratch the paint. This is gonna take forever. We'll come back when I get this done. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, so as we can see, we got a little bit more work to do here and here and all the way over here. We're gonna run along this section right here, clean up the rest of this, and then we're gonna mount this new wing we got on. Hell yeah. Okay, so right now I marked the outline of where the tape's gonna need to be with these right here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go grab the tape and we're about to mount it, okay?
All right, so we had a good day. We got a lot of stuff done. The car looks amazing, but we still got some stuff to take care of. We have the O2 sensors that we're still waiting to get in. We also have another light that we have to be taking care of on the evaporation system. And we also have that camshaft problem. So In the next video, we're gonna be taking care of all that stuff, and the Mustang is gonna be totally ready to be on the road. So I'll see you guys in the next video.